Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Capcut to TikTok. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that both Capcut is installed on your mobile device, right? As well as TikTok. From here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and create your account if you haven't already. Now open Capcut first, and then once it's loaded, I want you to hover to the Me section on the bottom right corner and click the tab to sign in. You need to sign in with your account, which is associated with your Capcut and both your TikTok account, all right? I'm going to use my Google. Wait for it to load, and once it's loaded, I want you to hover to the View Profile wherein there is a section here that says Edit Profile. If you do that, you would be forwarded to the links below where you can find the links to your TikTok and YouTube. All you have to do is click on the TikTok, and you would notice Capcut wants to access your TikTok account, and I want you to click on Continue. Now, at this point, you want to make sure that both of your accounts has properly logged in because it will create a seamless integration for both. As you can see, once I have successfully linked my TikTok account, when you click on the TikTok from the links, you would have an option to unlink, because if you don't have this option to unlink, all right? From here, you might want to go to the section wherein if you want to go to the templates and create a new project, you might want to do that. Click create a new project from scratch if you want, or hover to the same video that you're working. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this. Once you have successfully linked both TikTok and Capcut for this platform, if you click on the expert button on the top right corner, you would notice that you have an option to share to TikTok. If you didn't successfully integrate them and connect them, you don't have this option to share to TikTok. Right? If you click that, you would be forwarded to the TikTok platform. But the thing is, you want to make sure that your video is not short. It lands on the TikTok length, before you can share it to TikTok. So let's do that. So I'm going to add this right here. Click the add button. Click the export option on the top right corner. Wait for it. And then as you can see, once it's loaded, you have now the option to share to TikTok because you have successfully linked both accounts here. All right, click on next. And basically that's how you connect TikTok to Capcut. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.